Thanks for tuning in to this weather briefing for Wednesday, February the 22nd. I'm meteorologist Roger Goss from the National Weather Service. Widespread flooding continues along the Coyote Creek this morning in the South Bay, although dry weather conditions are anticipated for the remainder of the week. These drier and mostly clear conditions will allow temperatures to drop into the 30s region-wide during the remainder of the week, and then yet another storm system potentially arrives by the upcoming weekend. Of greatest concern is the ongoing flooding in the South Bay as floodwaters continue to travel through the Coyote Creek system. While water levels have begun to recede overnight, especially below the Anderson Reservoir, record levels have been recorded downstream, especially east of San Jose at the Edenville station, where a record level of 13.6 feet was recorded late Tuesday evening, the highest recorded level in the past 100 years. Floodwaters continue to travel down the creek just east of San Jose State University, where flooding continues along the 100-year floodplain. Waters here have too begun to recede and level off. However, major flooding continues downstream as the floodwaters continue to travel towards the San Francisco Bay. Flooding should continue to ease through midweek, yet folks are urged to remain up to date with the latest information from their local officials. As mentioned earlier, drier weather conditions are forecast for the remainder of the week with chilly overnight and early morning temperatures. But by late week, a storm system is forecast to drop southward out of the Gulf of Alaska toward a moist system approaching from the west. As a result, unsettled weather conditions appear to return to the region by this weekend. However, there remains some uncertainty of exactly how much rainfall the area could receive and how strong winds may become. With the uncertainty in the forecast for this upcoming weekend, be sure to stay up to date with the latest forecast information by visiting www.weather.gov/Bay Area. You can also follow us on all of our social media channels by following NWS Bay Area. Thanks for tuning in.